Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to use the electronic handbrake parking brake switch in your car. Personally, I prefer a standard handbrake, but most modern cars have an electronic handbrake switch now. What the electronic parking brake does is it mimics what you do with the handbrake. And when you put your handbrake on, you get your handbrake warning light come up on your dashboard. So I'm in a modern car here and I want to put the handbrake on. And the electronic parking brake switch is here where the handbrake would be. Now treat it as if it's a normal handbrake. You're pulling it upwards to put the handbrake on like this. And then you'll get your handbrake warning light on your dashboard. And to deactivate the electronic handbrake, you're pushing the button down. So you're mimicking the normal handbrake where you're pushing it downwards. If you happen to activate the electronic handbrake whilst you're driving fast, it will just bring the car to an emergency stop using the ABS system. On most modern cars, if you put it into drive, if it's an automatic, or you put it into first gear and release the clutch and press the accelerator, the car will automatically release the handbrake for you. So no need to even touch that button. If your car has this auto hold button, you can activate that, and that just helps you when you come to a stop. It will activate the handbrake. So that means if you're on a steep incline, the car will not roll backwards, and as soon as you press the accelerator, it will automatically release it and off you go. So no need to keep activating the electronic handbrake. If you don't want that function, you can just push that button and deactivate it. Whilst we listen to this V8 beast, there's some other useful videos around the edges of the screen. Drive safe.